I've got another set of blind bags, and you guys know what that means. Stay tuned and find out what's inside. All right, let's talk about the details first. This auction, I buy these all off of eBay, and if you're interested in the process I used to do that, I do have a blog post complete with screenshots showing every step of the process I use to find blind bags to open on the channel. So I will have a link to that particular blog post in the blog that goes with this video. So go down the description box, go to today's blog, and there'll be a link in there to take you to how to buy these. So this set, it's a 10-piece set of 1/12 scale Dollhouse simulation mini food bottles. It was around $3. It was $3.70 Canadian. My thing on my phone on the app does not show me what that was in American money, US dollars that day, but that's what it was. That's what it was in Canadian, because they always bill through Canada for whatever reason. They were purchased October 27th with a arrival date no later than January 3rd. Sorry, I'm looking at my phone. It's over there. January 3rd, and they actually arrived November 24th. So that's pretty darn good. So let me push these off to the side, get myself a work area, and we can see what's in the first bag. All right, I zoomed you in, and I'm going to do my best to stay under camera. So let's see, what is it? Don't know from the feel. It'll be interesting to see how many repeats we get and what we think of what we get today. Okay. Not sure what that is. It says it's original. It looks like a booze bottle to me. I'm not sure. Cool looking bottle though. I do think I need to make some kind of a mini bar scene with all the bottles that we're getting in these blind bags. That is pretty cool. And I love the detail on the lid. I'm not sure if the camera here is picking it up, but I'll do my best to get a picture on the blog post that's close enough you can see the details on the lid. This one is pretty cool. I'll be back and we can see what's in number 2. All right, number 2. This one is taller and skinnier. Okay. Oh, it's orange Fanta. I loved orange Fanta when I was a kid. Okay, that is going to be cool. It looks like it's kind of a 2-liter-ish size bottle. I'll have to measure it and kind of compare it to see how big it is, what the scale size of this would be, which will be in the blog post. So let's see what's next. All right, number 3. This one is curious. Okay, that's not a bottle. That's a cake that looks like a donut. Okay, it is pretty well done though. The paint job is not bad at all. That might be kind of cute in a bakery, and I've got an idea for a bakery scene, so we'll see if I can get around to that. Let's see what's next. All right, number 4. What do we have? We have, okay, a package of French fries. This would be cute on a fast food sign. I think this would make a really cool fast food sign, and even though I'm probably not going to ever use it that way, I've been thinking about taking some of these and making some signs and showing you kind of how to do that. He's cute. So let's see what's next. All right, I can already tell this is another flat back. So I'm going to double check what it said this auction was because I've got my phone plugged in now. Okay, it's a big piso pizza. Now that, the fries too, these could be cakes in a bakery. Obviously too big to be a pizza, but it is kind of cute. And I think as a cake, it would be kind of cool. Maybe, like I said, I've got an idea for a bakery. So let's see what's next. All right, we are on number 6. Another flat back. This one is supposed to be a shampoo bottle. I'm not thrilled with that. Not what I bought, not what I paid for. So not thrilled with this set so far, except those first two things. So I'll be back and we'll see what number 7 is. All right, we have another flat-backed item here. A rainbow. Now that would, again, it would make a cake. I don't see it being anything other than a cake or on a sign. It is cute. The colors are okay-ish. So let's see what's next. All right, another flat-backed item. You will hear, be sure to hop over to the blog post to hear my thoughts about each item and overall. I guess it's supposed to be, yeah, it's supposed to be sushi. Okay. The colors are awful. This one, repainted, it could maybe be a cake. Yeah, not thrilled with these. Let's see what's next. All right, number 9. Let's see what we got. I know it's another flat back from feeling the package. Oh, it's a baby bottle. It goes this way. Okay, again, I suppose it could be a cake. It's very small. Could go on a sign. You know, I wouldn't have minded 1 or 2 flat back items, but we got a lot. So let's see what the last one is. All right, I am hopeful for this one because I can feel it's not a flat back. It feels like it is actually a bottle. Let's see. Okay, it looks like that must be some kind of soda. Not something I'm familiar with. If any of you guys can tell me what this would be like in real life, let me know. But barring that, it could get a new label and be very usable, be very cute in the refrigerator or in a grocery bag at the Dollhouse. This one I like. So let me get all of them out together and we'll talk about what I think so far. All right, here is everything we got in today's set of 10 blind bags. Now we got 3 that are absolutely usable in a mini scene. We got 2 sodas and what I assume is a liqueur, something like that. Those I have no issues with. Those are going to get used. Those are fine. These 7, not real happy about those. They're not what I was paying money to get. They are all flatbacks. Now some or all of these most of these anyway, could become cakes. And I might do that. I might turn some of them into cakes. Like I said, I might show you how to turn some of these into like signs, like if you're doing a food court or something, this little French fry thing would be really cute on a sign. The shampoo bottle, quite frankly, if you set that in the corner of the shower, it would look okay. It would be fine. But overall, I am disappointed. I'll still buy more blind bags. Don't worry. You'll still see lots more blind bags on the channel. As long as you guys keep coming back and watching, I'll keep buying them because I love them. They're fun to do. These are some of the most fun videos I film, and I really enjoy doing them. And I really enjoy opening them and sharing them with you. So be sure and hop over to the blog post. There will be photos of each item individually and together with the other items. I'll also do at least some of them in photos with Mrs. Doll so you can see how they look with the doll so you can get a better idea of scale. And other than that, thank you very, very much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. What kinds of things would you like to see? If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, be sure and hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you so much again for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.